Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to make tables look nice in Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we make a table look nice. Go to the Insert menu and click Table option. Now we create some tables with some columns and rows. Then we resize this table looking good nice. Then select the table and go to the design menu. Then click shading option and choose a shading color. Then click the table style option and choose a table style. Now we can see this table looking nice. If you change this color in this table, select the whole table and go to the design menu and color option. Choose any color. Now you can see this table is looking nice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.